All right, today I have a Bosch Ascenta dishwasher and it is not draining. All right, so here's my Bosch Ascenta dishwasher and it is not draining. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All right, you see there's a puddle of water down in there and we wanna get that out. And for some reason, it is not draining. If you ever come into this situation, you're gonna have to figure out how to get that out. And there's a way to get that out. But before we get started, you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content. I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that puddle of water that's in there. Now, Bosch Ascenta dishwasher has a feature on it to where you can get it off. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come up to the Bosch Ascenta dishwasher front panel right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. And you see all of that, it lit up and it turned on. And I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna shut it, all right? So this is gonna be one way to drain the dishwasher. And I'm gonna show you, if it does not drain by doing this, I'm gonna show you some other situations on how you can get it to drain if there's some other issue other than pressing just this button, which I'm gonna show you on a Bosch Ascenta dishwasher. So stay tuned. So because these issues may arise later on down the road, and you'll want to see this after I show you this feature right here. So I have the Bosch Ascenta dishwasher. I have turned it on, I shut it, and if you come all the way over here and you look at the start button, and if you squint your eyes and you get really close, you'll see that reset 3 seconds. Now what that means is when you press this button, you hold it down for 3 seconds and that will reset this. Now watch it do it just like this, okay? So I'm over here, I'm gonna come up to the start button, hold it for 3 seconds, it didn't do it. All right, so the reason why it didn't do it, oh, there it is. It took a minute for it to hold on, and you see it's draining right there. You hear the water draining out of it. I held it for 3 seconds, and it is draining out of it. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna open it up and show you the water drain out of this, okay? It just went out. Oh, hold on. Press it again, it's starting to fill right here. All right, so I'm holding down 3 seconds, so it went to the start feature. Now I'm holding down for 3 seconds. Now it's draining. Do you see that? Do you see that? Now it's draining right here. You hear that? So I pressed start to start the dishwasher, and then I held down the reset button for 3 seconds. And it is draining right here. You see that? Just give it a second. It's still draining. Yep. So it's draining right there. It drained the water out of it. Do you see what just happened right there? I pressed and held the reset for 3 second button and it drained the water from out of the bottom of this. Now, if you're in a situation to where it does not drain after you're holding it for 3 seconds after pressing the start button, you might want to check to see if your filter is clogged. It could be an issue with the filter being clogged, and you just simply come up here, remove this, and you see, oh, that's really dirty. And clean out the filter as it says in the manual. And what I typically do is I take that out, I take an old toothbrush, and I clean the filter, the inside and out, so water can drain through out of it and remove any debris that's out of there. And if the sink is clogged up, I have to clean out the sink, make sure the drain is free so the water can flow through. Typically, I'll take a plunger if water's not going down, or I'll take some hot water or some drain removal and put it down the drain. Never put drain removal inside of the dishwasher. And that clears out this drain, because if this is clogged up, this cannot drain properly down the sink. So make sure that's clean. Make sure the filter is clean right here. And remember to press the reset 3 second button right there. And when you're done, just press it off, and that's how you clear the drain from, or fix a drain in a Bosch Ascenta dishwasher. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.